Listen, the slots are filling up fast for our workshop. We will be holding a workshop here in Savannah, Georgia, June 22nd. Make sure you are in the building because we will not be selling tickets after May 31st. I ain't trying to have all them people inside my office, okay? We only got limited seats, so make sure that you purchase your tickets ASAP, okay? If you want to get in. So I want to give a shout out to a few people that purchased their tickets so far, and I will be seeing you ladies, okay? Clean Divine Solutions, shout out to Katrina. I will see you in the building, okay? Miss Sparkling Clean, shout out to Sparkling Clean. We will see Sparkling Clean in the building. Maddie Shepherd, about time, girl, about time. Been waiting for you, Miss Maddie Shepherd, okay? We will see you in the building. She coming from Jacksonville, Florida. Miss Angelica, Miss Angelica is coming all the way from Michigan City. All right, Miss Angelica. All right, we also got Miss Nikki. Miss Nikki, Helping Hand Cleaning services will be in the building, Miss Nikki, okay? All right, next we got Miss Lisa's Home Solutions. All right, Miss Lisa, I can't wait to meet you in person too. You another one. All right, she's coming all the way from Charlotte, North Carolina. All right, next we got Ashley Williams. Woo! Shout out to Miss Ashley Williams. She will be in the building. She coming from South Carolina as well. All right, we also got Deidre Hines. Deidre Hines, all right. Shout out to Deidre Hines. Perfectly Made Cleaning Solutions will be in the building, okay? And we also got Rosa. Oh, I didn't know Rosa was coming. Miss Rosa. All right, Miss Rosa will be here. She's coming from Gainesville, Georgia. This is Right Hand Cleaning Services, and we got a host of other people. I'll be here all day, but thank you to everybody that I just named and everybody that I didn't name. Please make sure that if you are serious about being inside our workshop, that you be in the building as well, okay? Get your tickets. Don't wait to the last minute, because after May 31st, we will not be selling any more tickets, okay? We have to put this workshop together. It's a more personalized workshop, so it's very important that you fill out the form and you write down all your pain points, because we will be going over all of them pain points at this workshop, okay? You will leave with some small wins. I can promise you that, all right? So I'm going on to do my little podcast thing, but make sure you click the link. It's a link somewhere around here. Go on my Instagram, Tenacity Academy. Click the link in my bio. Purchase your tickets today. I gotta go. I'm out of here. Bye.